Welcome to today's session. Today we are going to create a user's account at Maconnection Solutions. So first thing first, to go to your browser. As we are here, search in your web browser Maconections. That is Maconnection Solutions. You'll see a web result saying that Maconections is an innovative and reliable solution for those seeking a job in the first place, seeking professional services, or looking to grow their business by reaching more clients. So click to the first link. You'll be directed to this platform, which is Maconnection Solutions website, and you will see a logo for Maconections. You will also see a few videos that we have uploaded on the system, which are actually guiding users on how to navigate through the system. You will also see two buttons for join as provider and join as customer. So alternatively, there is another option here for joining. So if you click here, then you'll be directed. You either join as a provider or join as a customer. So our intention is to create a user account or sign up as a user. You just click join as a user. So after that, you'll be directed to this page, and then you will see a pop-up notification telling you that location found. This means that your location has been set automatically. So you just say okay, and then proceed to the registration. Then it will show you, there is a Google map there below showing you where you are currently located. So that is when you have enabled location in your device. So in most cases, you will see a notification asking you whether you want to allow the device to use your location. So you just need to click yes or agree. So after that, you'll have to enter your registration details. For example, I'll just input my details as that is my name. Then at this point, you can also enter your business name. It's not compulsory that you enter your personal name. You can also enter your business name if you are joining as a provider, but as a user, you can typically use your personal name or your name. So after that, there is this second field for entering your email account. So I'll just enter my email address to. So after that, you will also be required to input your password, and remember to use a strong password. You also click create an account. So after that, you will see another pop-up registration successful, and get into your email inbox. So I'll just get to my email account. So you'll see an email like this, user verification. Then you have to click to this address. So then it will redirect you again to the login page. You just log in, and then you'll be in your user's account. And that is that for today. That is how to create a user account at Maconections. In the next video, I'll guide you how to create a provider account in Maconections. Thank you and bye-bye.